I don't care what they say or how long we go. It's always going to be true. There's nothing more satisfying than hard work and seeing the results from it, which I'm going to show off. Because as you can tell, when we started, these shirts were bright blue. They are now dark blue, kind of chilling out after a... Hey, wait a minute, where'd it go?
It's gone.
Oh no, someone stole the wood pile. No, actually they didn't steal it. Let me show you what we ended up doing. So this was all brown, old, needed to be redone. Larry Miller Super Ford stepped up. These guys are incredible. We got a great system going on it. And we busted this, well, I almost said my Navy term. We busted this crap out. So these kids have been really excited about this opening up, because for the last year of hell, they didn't get to play in their playground. I still got to do a little bit of privacy fencing there. But so now these kids can come out, have a great time, get some fresh air, and have a ball. I'm going to sound like a broken record. This is not a miracle. It's just people coming together, seeing what needs to be done, and getting it done. You don't need funding. You don't need organizations or committees. Just get out there and do it, guys. Make a difference. This is awesome. And you know what? They had us scheduled here to be here from 8 to 12. It is what? Maybe quarter to 10? 10?
About 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. So I'm gonna let these guys tell you who they are. So what department are you with?
Service.
Service. And what's your name?
Colton.
Colton. Way to go, Colton. I know this guy's Gabe. We got to know each other a little bit.
Service.
Which would you rather be doing, this or working on a 650?
This.
There you go.
I'm Mo. I know how to do this. Dan, I'm not going to be doing this.
We got Brian. Hey, whoa, look, we got the Bryan twins.
Look, I actually worked.
Hey, he did get dirty. The used car manager got dirty. Actually, a sales guys got dirty.
We actually did.
And Brian, hey guys, come here.
Hey, guys, let's throw down a picture real quick.
Well, this is for this is live, guys. So I just wanted to thank you guys. You guys did a great job. I couldn't work with a better group of guys.
It's for the kids.
It's for the kids.
Yeah, man. The little kids walk up saying thank you.
Oh yeah. We had a school bus of kids show up, and each one, as they got off the bus, told us thank you, and that was awesome. So guys, get out there, make a difference. Talk to you guys later.